impedance of the load, you give apply. Once you are okay with everything, you give apply. Okay, once you give apply, you see these parameters are getting refreshed. So everything is calculated, and we are going to see the antenna thing. Open the load helix section and change the antenna impedance to 72 ohms. So we are changing the load impedance just to see the effect. They are giving us 72 ohms, and you know the frequency is going to be design frequency. You know it is 1.9, right? So I'm going to apply this, and in the frequency range, you have to give the range around this 1.8 gigahertz. So what frequency range I'm going to give? I'm going to start from 1.7 and I'm going to end at 2.2. So I'm changing the range. See here, I'm starting from 1.7 gigahertz and I'm going till 2.2, and my step size is 1 megahertz. So every 1 megahertz I'm increasing and I'm plotting this frequency change. Okay, I'm giving apply now. Okay, I think it is not accepting. I will keep the frequency. It is starting from 1.7. I'll go till 2. We'll see whether it is accepting here. So I'll go till 1.95. It is not accepting because sorry, it is. I have to give the range here properly. I have to give hertz. If I give this thing, I have to give hertz, right? I will select hertz and change this. Now I think it should be working. 2.2 E per E9. If I give gigahertz, that will become a, right. That was the error it was showing. So now I have set up my antenna with all the parameters. Now click on impedance to plot the impedance response of the antenna. So click on this impedance. You will see the impedance response of the antenna. You can see how fast it is calculating. It is running. So you can see the disabled thing that is running. Just wait. You will get the answer soon. We have totally 500 frequency points, so it is calculating the response for all the 500 frequency points. So it is running, just wait. Our design frequency is 1.9 gigahertz. Okay, so our design frequency is 1.8 gigahertz. So we'll see what is the impedance at 1.8 gigahertz. I think you are able to see the impedance. Yes, impedance and reactance, resistance and reactance. Our design frequency is 1.8. So at 1.8, you can see the reactance is 0. You can see the reactance is 0 because at the design frequency, the antenna will be purely resistive. See here beautifully at 1.8 gigahertz, the reactance is 0, and the resistance value is close to whatever you are given, 72. Resistance value is close to 72. It is close to 72 here. Okay, so that is the resistance graph we have got. So now we can click. We can see the S parameter plots. How to see the S parameter plot? You have the S parameter here. Click on that. You can see the S parameter plot.